A very good evening and a very warm welcome to the opening night of the Indian Film Festival here in Berlin. It's
Thank you so much, Swati. I think the vibe is quite chirpy and warm. In so much of cold, in almost 0 degrees. If this is the warmth you guys have, I'm really happy.
no, we've got it better. Summer is a different Berlin. It's two different cities.
I'm sure. But having said that, I must say, uh, really well organized. And sometimes film festivals can be chaotic because there's so many films, so many artists, so many directors, and there's so much to take care of. But this has been special.
Very nice to hear that. And thank you for being here. Can you tell us a little bit about the film?
So yeah, Berlin is one of the performances which is very close to my heart. One of the films which is very close to my heart in terms of my filmography so far. Majorly because it really brings out the other side of mine as an actor. You will not see the goofy Apar Shakti which you have seen in Luka Chupi or Dangal or Stree. I think the purest, filmmaking which Atul Sabharwal has really brought out the best in me. And yeah, the film is a spy thriller and totally shot in India. You'll get to know after watching the film why is it called Berlin.
Yeah, and although Atul did warn me not to call it a spy thriller, but we'll see. Yeah.
Sir, मुझे माफ कर देना इस जन्म में.
But no, it's you have a very interesting character going on in the movie. Can you tell us a bit about the preparation of it and yeah, how you prepared for it, how you felt it be on screen?
So Swati, yes, my character does a lot of sign language in the film. Sign language is not something which you were born with or you grew up into. It's not something which is normally taught in school in India. It's a difficult language to learn as well. So yeah, this prep was extremely different from what I've done so far in my career, and it was difficult. It was different, and it was I think one of a kind. And once you see the film, you'll realize, oh, he managed to talk through the sign language as well.
Yes, no, absolutely. It gives us inspiration to learn that language and own it in many ways.
Okay, once you finish the interview, once you finish the interview, I'm gonna say, which means thank you.
Yes, please. Yeah, wonderful. Maybe something a little bit about your impressions of this city. How do you feel about it when you're here?
Yeah, first of all, I think the food here is absolutely fantastic. Loved eating out. The lunch today, the dinner yesterday, and the coffees throughout the day have been absolutely non-stop and really love it.
Wonderful, very nice to hear. What other movie are you looking forward to watch besides Berlin, of course?
Of course, the Mehta Boys. Yes. And there are a lot of films here. Tomorrow there is Ritu's Bengali film. There is Kanu's film. I think Kanu Bell is one of the finest directors of the country. Again, the list of purest directors in the country is very small. I'm a Titli fan. I've always been a Titli fan. So yeah, I just met Kanu sir, and I just told him I'm looking forward to your film.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Great. Thank you so much.